Hi, I'm Ate Pat. I was born in Manila. Pinanganak ako sa Maynila, but I grew up here in the States. Pero dito na ako lumaki sa States. Come learn Tagalog with me. Oh, hi. I'm meeting some new people today, and I'm a little nervous.
We're excited to meet Ate Pat. Yeah, we are too.
Do you want to learn some Tagalog phrases with me that we can use when we make new friends? Let's do it. If I want to greet someone, I can say, "Good day." In Tagalog, it's magandang araw. Maganda means beautiful, and araw means day. Magandang araw. Fun fact, when you're talking to an adult, you have to say po in the sentence to be respectful. Magandang araw po. If I want to say, "Hi, how are you?" In Tagalog, it's kamusta ka? Kamusta po? Kamusta ka? If someone asks me that, I can respond, "I'm doing fine." In Tagalog, it's mabuti po. Mabuti po. Mabuti po. If I want to ask someone, "What is your name?" In Tagalog, it's ano ang pangalan mo? Ano means what, pangalan means name, and mo is referring to you. Ano ang pangalan mo? Ano ang pangalan mo? If someone asks me that, I can say, "My name is Ate Pat." In Tagalog, ako si Ate Pat. Ako means I, si means am, ako si Ate Pat. Ako po si Ate Pat. If I want to ask, "How old are you?" In Tagalog, it's ilang taon ka na? Ilan means how many. Taon means year. Ka is referring to you, and na means already. Ilan taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na? If you know your numbers in Tagalog, you can say them in your response. For example, you can say, "Sampung taon ako." Sampu means 10, taon means year, and ako is referring to me. Sampung taon ako. If I want to ask, "Where are you from?" In Tagalog, it's taga saan ka? Taga means from, saan means where, and ka is referring to you. Taga saan ka? Taga saan ka? If someone asks me that, I can say, taga Maynila ako. Taga means from, ako means me. Taga Maynila po ako. Taga Maynila ako.
I wonder what we're having for lunch. I hope it's adobo. Adobo.
Here are some other basic phrases that are used in common conversation. Yes is opo. 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 No is hindi. Hindi po. Hindi. Okay is sige. Sige. Sige po. If you want to say "I'm sorry," in Tagalog it's pasensya na. Pasensya na po. Pasensya na. And to respond when someone says "I'm sorry," you can say ayos lang. Ayos lang po. Ayos lang. Thank you is salamat. Salamat po. Salamat. You're welcome is walang anuman. Walang anuman po. Walang anuman. I love you is mahal kita. Mahal po kita. Mahal kita. To say I love you too, you can say mahal din kita. Mahal din kita. Mahal din kita.
Wonder what's taking so long. She's running kinda late. Filipino time.
Now here are some phrases you can use if it's time for you to go. If you have to say, I'm leaving, it's alis na ako. Alis na po ako. Alis na ako. It's usually respectful to say, take care. In Tagalog, it's ingat. Ingat po. Ingat. And to say bye, it's paalam. Paalam po. Paalam. Here's an example of how a conversation might go in Tagalog. Magandang araw. Kamusta ka? Mabuti po. Anong pangalan mo? Ako si Pat. Oh, I like your name. Salamat. Walang anuman. Oh, ilang taon ka na? 29 ako. Taga saan ka? Taga Maynila ako. Oh, alis na ako. Sige, ingat. Paalam. We did it. We learned some common phrases that we can use when we make new friends. Oh, I gotta go. I don't want to be late. Paalam. Hi! Just wanted to give a big thank you to Barong Warehouse for these awesome Filipino dolls. They come as a pair, and one doll is wearing a Barong Tagalog, and over here, the doll is wearing a Maria Clara. Over here, the doll is wearing a traditional Filipiniana dress with the butterfly sleeves. If you like these or any other cultural items, please feel free to check out their website. Paalam!